So it was April 1st yesterday, and to be exact, it was April Fool's Day. So a lot of companies came up with fake products to try and fool people. Well, one such advert I saw on Facebook was from Krispy Kreme donuts. They had a new potato chip, a glazed potato chip, you know, like the glazed frosting they put on their donuts. And yeah, that may have been an April Fool's gag, but it actually sounds really good. So it made me think, I'm gonna go and make those. So let's head over to the kitchen and get to work. So you're gonna need a bowl, 2 cups of icing sugar, some vanilla essence, about half a block of butter. You wanna melt the butter, pour that into the icing sugar. Mix that all through. So if it looks a little thick, you're probably gonna wanna add some hot water to thin it out a bit. So once you get this into a syrup-like consistency, you wanna cover the potato chips. Simple. So once you've covered all the potato chips, I suggest transferring them to a clean plate and be ready for serving. So I have with me the Krispy Kreme inspired glazed potato chip. And you can see there, they look like potato chips with kind of a glossy finish to them. Let's give it a bite and see what it's like. Okay. First up, whoever came up with that gag yesterday about the glazed potato chips was a genius. This really works. That glazed flavoring with potato and the crunchiness of a potato chip, they got a winner. I actually hope Krispy Kreme put this out as a real product. If not, you can make your own. So yeah, I'm giving this creation a thumbs up. Why don't you try it and tell me what you thought? If you like this video, leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. There'll be more soon. Thanks for watching.